Imagine this, it's 2026 and you're still pulling all-nighters buried in textbooks, rewriting endless notes and staring blankly at concepts that just won't click. Sound familiar? Most students right now are trapped in this old-school grind, hours wasted on studying the wrong way, fighting frustration, stress, and mediocre grades. But here's the truth bomb. You're not lazy. The real issue? No one taught you how to harness AI like a pro. AI isn't just a tool, it's your secret weapon. It can break down tough topics in seconds, create custom study plans, quiz you perfectly, and turn hours of struggle into smart, effortless wins. What if you could study smarter, ace your exams, and free up time for what you love? That's exactly what this video reveals. How students should use AI in 2026 to dominate school. Stick around. You won't study the same way again. Picture this, you're hunched over a massive textbook for hours, your eyes burning as you highlight every page. Then you rewrite notes again and again, hoping something sticks. You cram facts into your brain through rote memorization, but deep down you don't really get it. No wonder you're exhausted, drained, and running on empty. Fast forward to exam week, panic hits. Your mind goes blank under pressure. All that time wasted and you're still struggling with grades that don't reflect your effort. Sound like your life? In 2026, information is everywhere for free. The real killer isn't lack of resources. It's studying the old and efficient way that leaves you overwhelmed and behind. But it doesn't have to be this way. Way number 1, supercharge your research with AI. Ditch the tab chaos. Stop wasting hours drowning in a sea of browser tabs, scrolling through endless articles that leave you more confused. Old school research? Forget it. In 2026, AI does the heavy lifting in seconds. Here's how: fire up tools like Grok from XAI, ChatGPT, Claude, or Perplexity AI. Just type a simple prompt. Summarize the key causes of World War II in bullet points, with sources. Boom, crystal clear explanations, top facts, and pro tips, all tailored for you. For science homework? Ask Gemini. Explain photosynthesis step by step like I'm 15 with diagrams. History essay? Hit Perplexity. Best 5 arguments for renewable energy? Backed by 2026 studies? No fluff. Just what matters most. This isn't cheating, it's smart. You'll grasp core ideas fast, dive into textbooks prepared, and reclaim hours for fun or deeper study. Research done right, your brain stays sharp, not fried. Ready to try? Your first AI query changes everything. Why students struggle and how AI changes everything. Here's the truth. One of the biggest reasons students waste hours studying isn't because the topic is too long. It's because the topic is hard to understand. You can read the same paragraph 5 times and still feel lost. You can watch a lecture twice and still not get it. That's not your fault. Traditional learning materials aren't always designed for how you learn. Enter AI, your personal tutor that never gets tired. Today, AI can explain any concept at your level in seconds. Imagine having a tutor who never judges you for asking the same question twice. Adapts to your pace whether you need a simple explanation or a deep dive. Breaks down complexity into bite-sized, digestible pieces. Is available 24/7. No appointments, no waiting. It's exactly what AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity can do for you right now. Real-world example, from confusion to clarity. Let's say you're stuck on photosynthesis in biology. Instead of rereading your textbook for the 10th time, you can ask, explain photosynthesis like I'm 10 years old. Or if you need more depth, explain photosynthesis using a real-world analogy I can visualize. The AI will respond instantly, tailored to your learning style. You can even ask it to create a step-by-step breakdown. Generate practice questions. Provide visual metaphors to make abstract ideas concrete. Tools to try right now. Here are some AI tools students are using in 2026 to master hard topics faster. ChatGPT, great for conversational explanations and brainstorming. Claude, excellent for deep reasoning and nuanced answers. Gemini integrates with Google tools for seamless learning. Perplexity, perfect for research-backed explanations with sources. Khan Academy's Conmigo, built specifically for students with guided learning paths. The bottom line, AI isn't here to replace your thinking, it's here to unlock it. When you use AI the right way, you're not just getting answers. You're building real understanding, faster and more effectively than ever before. So the next time a topic feels impossible, don't waste hours in confusion. Let AI meet you where you are and guide you to where you need to be. That's how students should use AI in 2026, not as a shortcut, but as a superpower. Here's the truth. After mastering a difficult topic, most students make one critical mistake. They write long, chaotic notes they'll never touch again. AI changes everything. Instead of drowning in paragraphs, you can transform messy content into clean, structured notes in seconds. Simply paste your textbook material into tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Notebook, LM, and ask for organized notes with clear headings and bullet points. Need exam prep? Request a one-page revision sheet that captures only what matters. Got lecture slides or a PDF? Don't waste time reading everything. Upload it directly. AI will extract the key concepts you must remember. Remember this: good notes aren't long. Good notes are easy to revise. This is how smart students use AI to prepare strategically, not by replacing effort, but by maximizing efficiency. Let's keep building your AI-powered study system. Imagine this: writing assignments devours hours of your student life, hunting for words, structuring ideas, and polishing for that professional edge. But in 2026, AI supercharges your workflow. Tools like Grok, ChatGPT, Claude, or Google Gemini let you launch faster and write smarter. Kick off with an instant essay outline, punchy introductions, or a rock-solid structure before typing a word. Midway block? Feed it your draft and it seamlessly continues your paragraph. Done? Paste it back in to sharpen clarity, grammar, and flow effortlessly. AI doesn't steal your thinking, it amplifies it, delivering pro-level results in half the time. Master this and conquer assignments like a pro. Ever feel buried under random cramming with no plan and exam panic looming? Next up, transform study chaos into victory with AI-powered planning in 2026 style. Tools like Grok, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, or Claude make it effortless. Just share your exam dates, key topics, and daily study hours. In seconds. Snag a custom timetable, realistic, balanced, and laser-focused. No more what next confusion. Stick to your daily roadmap and build momentum. /overwhelm, boost consistency, and crush those tests stress-free. Your study game unlocked. Here's the game changer. Students stuck using AI for homework alone are leaving gold on the table. The real power? Building future-ready skills while still in school? Picture this. You want to master coding, graphic design, copywriting, public speaking, or digital marketing. Tap into Claude, ChatGPT, Grok, or Google Gemini. They craft personalized learning roadmaps, breaking skills into bite-sized steps. They tell you what to learn first, how to practice smart, and where to concentrate energy. Better yet, free resources and targeted exercises land at your fingertips instantly. This isn't cramming for test day, this is building real, marketable skills before graduation. While your peers chase grades, you're building careers. That's the 2026 student advantage. Ready to level up? Here's the truth. AI is incredibly powerful, but most students are using it completely wrong. And if you're making these mistakes, you're not just wasting time, you're actually hurting your learning. Let me walk you through the 4 biggest traps students fall into so you can avoid them and actually use AI the right way. Mistake number 1, the copy-paste trap. The first and most dangerous mistake, copying everything AI gives you without truly understanding it. Think about it. When you ask ChatGPT or Claude to write an essay and you just paste it into your assignment, what are you actually learning? Nothing. AI should be your learning partner, not a replacement for your brain. Instead of copying, use AI to explain concepts you don't understand. Ask follow-up questions. Challenge the answers. Make the AI teach you, not do the work for you. Mistake number 2, asking vague, lazy questions. Here's a game changer. The quality of your question determines the quality of your answer. If you ask something vague like, explain photosynthesis, you'll get a generic, textbook-style response. But if you ask, can you explain photosynthesis like I'm teaching it to a 10-year-old, using a simple analogy, now you're going to get something useful, something memorable. The better your prompt, the better your result. Specificity is power. Mistake number 3, relying on just one AI tool. Not all AI tools are created equal. Each one has different strengths. For example, ChatGPT is fantastic for reasoning and brainstorming. Perplexity AI is excellent for research because it cites sources in real time. Claude is known for nuanced, thoughtful responses, especially for writing and analysis. If you're only using one tool, you're missing out. Mix and match based on what you need: research, writing, problem solving, and you'll get much better results. Mistake number 4, using AI only to finish assignments. And here's the biggest mistake of all: treating AI like a shortcut machine. If you're only using it to finish assignments faster, you're completely missing the point. The real power of AI is in skill building. Use it to practice coding, improve your writing, learn new languages, or understand complex topics deeply. When you shift your mindset from "how can AI do this for me" to "how can AI help me get better at this," that's when everything changes. The bottom line: when used correctly, AI becomes your study partner, your mentor, your personal tutor available 24/7. But when used carelessly, it becomes a crutch that weakens you. So avoid these mistakes. Ask smarter questions, explore different tools, and focus on learning, not just finishing. That's how you unlock AI's true potential in 2025 and beyond. So there you have it, students. This is your moment. The year 2026 is not just another year on the calendar, it's the beginning of a new era where artificial intelligence becomes your most powerful partner in education. But here's the truth: AI won't replace you. It will amplify you. It will take your ideas further, help you learn faster, and open doors you never knew existed. The students who embrace these tools today will be the leaders, innovators, and problem solvers of tomorrow. So what's your next step? Start small. Pick one AI tool and explore it this week. ChatGPT or Claude for brainstorming and research assistance, Grammarly for polishing your writing, Notion AI for organizing your study materials, Quizlet with AI for smarter test preparation, Otter.ai for transcribing lectures automatically. Remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If this video helped you see AI in a new light, hit that like button, subscribe for more student success strategies, and drop a comment telling me which AI tool you're most excited to try. I read every single one, and I'd love to hear your thoughts. Your future is not waiting. Your future is being built right now, one smart decision at a time. Let's make 2026 the year you unlock your full potential with AI. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay ambitious, and keep learning.